Cloudways versus Hostinger. Which web hosting is better? Choosing the right web hosting can transform your website's speed and reliability without the hassle of complex setups. Cloudways offers managed cloud hosting, while Hostinger provides affordable shared hosting options. Cloudways and Hostinger serve different hosting needs. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform focusing on performance and flexibility, while Hostinger offers budget-friendly shared hosting with easy-to-use features. The core difference lies in control versus simplicity. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that simplifies deploying websites on top cloud providers like Audible, Cloud, and DigitalOcean. It works by abstracting server management, allowing users to launch and scale applications without technical hassles. Cloudways excels in performance optimization, offering built-in caching, CDN integration, and advanced security features. Its strengths include easy scaling, high uptime, and expert support focused on cloud infrastructure. However, it is pricier than traditional shared hosting and can be overwhelming for beginners due to its cloud-based model. Ideal users are developers, agencies, and businesses needing scalable, high-performance hosting with less hands-on server management. Cloudways allows full control over cloud resources without the complexity of manual service setups, making it a strong choice for those prioritizing speed and reliability in a cloud environment. Hostinger is a popular shared web hosting provider known for its affordability and user-friendly interface. It works by hosting multiple websites on a single server, which keeps costs low and management simple. Hostinger offers features like a custom control panel, one-click installer for popular CMS platforms, and 24/7 customer support. Its strengths are budget pricing, ease of use, and solid performance for small to medium websites. However, shared hosting means resources are limited compared to cloud hosting, which can affect speed and scalability during traffic spikes. Hostinger is ideal for beginners, bloggers, and small businesses seeking reliable hosting without technical complexity or high costs. It provides a straightforward setup with essential security and performance features, making it a great entry-level option for those prioritizing simplicity and value. Cloudways and Hostinger cater to different hosting needs. Cloudways shines in performance and scalability, perfect for growing businesses or developers requiring flexible cloud infrastructure and faster load times. Its managed services reduce server management stress but come at a higher price. Hostinger offers excellent value for small websites and beginners, focusing on ease of use and affordability. Shared hosting limits resource availability, which may impact performance under heavy traffic. For example, a high-traffic e-commerce site benefits from Cloudways cloud resources and uptime guarantees, while a personal blog or portfolio site fits well with Hostinger's cost-effective plans. The trade-off is between Cloudways' advanced features and control versus Hostinger's simplicity and budget-friendly approach. Choose Cloudways if you need scalable, high-performance hosting with cloud flexibility and don't mind investing more for managed infrastructure and speed. Hostinger is the better choice for beginners or small websites focused on affordability and ease of use. Its straightforward setup and reliable shared hosting make it ideal for those prioritizing value over advanced cloud features. Select a host that fits your website's growth and budget.